Node styling and positions. Today's contents are placing nodes using the add syntax and styling nodes. The node can be placed at any point using the add syntax. For example, this node is placed at coordinate 0, 0. So it will look like this. Similarly, multiple nodes can be placed using the add syntax. This is placed at coordinate 0, 0. This node is at coordinate 2, 0. This node is at coordinate minus 2, 0. Similarly, 0, 2 and 0, minus 2. All the nodes will look like this. This is at 0, 0. This is at 2, 0. This is at minus 2, 0. This is at 0, 2 and this is 0, minus 2. The first argument is the x-axis value and the second argument is the y-axis value. The rectangle option makes the node a rectangle. Similarly, a circle option makes the node a circle. So these three rectangles are coming here and the two circles, one above and one below. Let's style each node. Write the styling in the node options, \node options rectangle, draw color, fill color and thickness. Similarly, write all the styling to each node. So the colors will look like this. This is blue color and it has light red color and dark blue color. To make the space in the nodes, specify the option inner space is equal to some value 0.3 centimeter. So the nodes will be some little bit of bigger because each node has 0.3 centimeter of space inside the node. Instead of styling each node separately, common styling can be applied. For example, after the begin TikZ picture, give the options here and give a name for a style. For example, A shape \dot style is equal to this. A shape is for rectangle styling, rectangle, blue color and inner space. Similarly, the second style is B shape. This is for circle, red color by thickness and 0.3 centimeter of inner space. Now we can use this A shape and B shape styling to the node. For example, \node A shape. This node will have all these stylings of this class, of this style. For example, this \node B shape, this node will have all these styling, circle, red color, red and this. This styling is applied to each node. This is A shape style applied. This node have A shape style applied. This node have B shape style applied. Let's see this in the TikZ. Here all the nodes are coming here. Thanks. See you in the next one.